After a nice weekend stay in Zanesville with some friends, Gwendolyn decided to do an emergency coolant dump on I-70 about 19 miles from home. This is the fix. Okay, so here we are. Say hello to Gwendolyn. This is Gwendolyn. She's my little 20-foot mobile home. I bought her about 4 years ago now for $1,000 and took her on a 12,000 mile trip around the country. She's had a couple of dings and bangs, and as you can see right there, she's got some kind of rotted spots on her. Somebody bashed into me and took off the bottom half of my ladder, and took out that light too. But tell you what, this little girl don't owe me nothing. However, let's take a trip inside. She's been sitting all winter, and she kind of, well, she leaks. What can I say? Not good. But that's water. Okay. Unfortunately, I put this plastic down inside and it captured most of it. There's a lot of water down there. Right there. Well, oh well. That's taken. I can take care of that. I gotta fix the roof. There's something wrong with it. I don't know what. But a big problem is, isn't that cute? Over the winter, somebody decided to take up residence. Mice. And we gotta get down in there. She has a blown water pump. So that's what we gotta do. We'll get to it, and I'll take pictures. Okay, well, everything's off, and that's what we got down in there. Took out the radiator, the cowling, the vent pipe, the air intake pipe, and the windshield washer jug. Now all we got to do is get this stuff off of here. I'm not much of a mechanic, but we'll see what we can do. Okay, well, I got the fan off and everything, and hey here, Grandma, I think we have a problem. Gee whiz. Yeah, I'd say that's definitely a bad water pump. And we'll get that thing off of there. Okay, well, after a fair amount of cussing, 3 bruised knuckles, and a little bit of blood, the new water pump is on. That was not fun. These studs here on the that hold on this wheel, this thing, they had to come off the old one. I'm glad I didn't throw it away before I came home. Okay, well, the fan and the belt are back on. That's one step in the right direction. Well, okay, here we go. Everything is back in and tightened down. I don't have the air breather thing on here yet, but it appears to all be okay. Got a new belt while I was at it. Yeah, one thing I found out, the battery was dead. I mean dead. And it wouldn't take a charge from my charger. So I'm trying to do a battery recondition. You probably can't see that. I don't know, I'll figure it out anyway. On my Stanley. We'll see if that gives any chance at all. So, during the whole thing I only lost one nut. That's not too bad. And I haven't put the bottle of water for windshield washer fluid back in there yet, but I'll get to that. Well, all we got to do now is fill her up and see if she leaks. I still got to put the bottom pipe on, but I'll get that. Okay, well, she's running. Everything looks good. Let's get down here on the ground. I don't see any water. Not yet. That's a good sign. I had to go get a battery because I was an idiot. New battery. I left the battery in all winter without disconnecting it. The radio drained it down to nothing. And once you got a lead acid battery that does that, it's no good from then on. Oh well. Go take a look and see what we're doing out here inside. Well, nothing wrong yet. I got that 60 pounds of pressure, which it always has. And it's just barely starting to creep up a little bit. Good voltage to the battery. Well, there's some drippage over there. So that's just me being sloppy. If I accidentally hit the button, we'll see. We'll see where I'm at, but looks like we got her. She's running. Cool.